This is Pre-Calculus Assignment 36, problem number 1. The directions say to find all the zeros, and the polynomial has already been factored to x minus 3. That one's easy, just set it equal to 0, add 3 to both sides, and you get 3. The second factor is 3x squared plus 5. Set that one equal to 0, and it's a couple more steps, so you want to start by subtracting 5 from both sides of the equal sign. And then you're going to divide both sides by 3. Then you're going to take the square root of both sides, and that's where it gets a little bit tricky when you take the square root and you have a negative number under that radical. That's where the I comes from. And then I just separated the rad 5 and the rad 3, but you can't have a radical in the denominator, so you kind of need to rationalize it like you do when you when you have radicals. And so I just multiplied by rad 3, which is over rad 3, which is what the denominator is. So the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is just 3. And then in the numerator you have the I, and you have the square root of 5 and the square root of 3, which is the square root of 15. And then you get the two answers from the plus minus. The third factor is x squared plus 9. This one's medium. So set that one equal to 0, subtract 9 from both sides, take the square root of both sides, and then the plus minus is how you get the two answers for the 3i. Okay, hope that helps.